Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Low-key, don't even know what the fuck I'm doing right now. I'm just recording random stuff in my fucking room because I am in fact home alone. But look, check this out. 9:26. I am leaving at like noon. So I have this suitcase packed up and ready to go. I still need to put some shirts in there, but that's all right. Secured by ADT. No raccoons will be in here.
Wow.
No, it goes down, I think, right? Yeah, pool table.
Oh, it has like Christmas. There it is.
Presents.
That's
Look,
all
they
she
left us presents too.
Who did?
Santa.
Santa. This is cool. Oh, this is cool. This and then the bunks.
What is this, prison? Look at all these books I won't ever touch.
When I looked at the pictures. This is not even like the kind of cold where it's like, oh, like nice and pleasant.
Jessica.
Let's go!
It was hard to like see you, but I think I got a good angle. All right, thank you.
Thank you. Oh, caught him in 4K. That's the whole, you have an audience. Where the fuck? Is there just one seatbelt that stretches across? Yeah. Not safe for me. We're gonna die.
Gotta take the GOPRO off.
Why?
They're not allowed on any ride in the park.
Are you for real?
Yeah.
Note to self, hide GoPro in jacket.
Oh yeah.
Wow! Fuck that, that was not scary. Whoa! What the fuck? It's like Space Mountain.
We went side to side.
Oh hell, that's straight up, motherfucker. That's a vertical. That's not real. This is a scam. This is virtual reality, bro. Are we seeing this?
I don't know. You should have sat in the front.
Ah! Oh, my head, bitch. There's a camera. Oh shit. Ah! Whoa! Oh, whoa! Oh! I don't like the dark. Where's the what the fuck? Oh my god! Holy shit! What a twist!
What a twist! What a plot twist!
What an excite! Oh, gotta hide the camera.
Recruits, we've got smoke on the ridge.
Do we make it? There we go. Check that out.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Hell yeah.
Oh, come on.
I'm Lucas, but I'm scared of heights.
Oh! Ah!
One we've all been waiting.
What am I dying on? Well, do this with the camera. Oh, yes, Daddy. Oh, that's actually fucked. This is fucked! Oh, yeah, baby! Oh, yeah, Daddy! Oh! Loop-de-loop! Whoa, man's got a Santa. Oh, fuck. Where we at? Oh, that was fucking shit. Never mind. definitely was not good after a burger.
That was the best one yet. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, that was the best one.